In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange pages in Google Docs, whether you're organizing a report, a long essay, or any document that requires rearranging sections for better flow or coherence. This step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your preferred web browser. Any browser that you regularly use will work just fine. Go ahead and type in google.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll want to sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Look for the sign in button, and when prompted, type in your email address. After that, click on the next button to proceed. Next, enter your password and hit next once more to access your account. Now, direct your attention to the upper right side of the Google homepage. You'll see a series of small squares arranged in a grid. This is the Google Apps menu. Clicking on this icon will present you with several Google services. From here, select Google Docs. Once you're in Google Docs, you'll need to locate the document you want to work on. Click on the document to open it. Before rearranging any pages, it's helpful to ensure that each section starts on a new page. This makes it simpler to identify distinct sections. To do this, place your cursor at the end of the text where you want a new page to begin. Navigate to the toolbar and click on Insert, then go to Break and select Page Break. This breaks the text, creating a new page and making it easier to manage your content. Next, it's time to select the content you want to move. Position your cursor at the start of the page or section you wish to move. Click and drag your mouse to highlight all the necessary text, images, or tables. A quick tip: you can triple click to select an entire paragraph instantly. Once your desired content is highlighted, right click and choose the cut option. This action will temporarily remove the section from its current location and place it on your clipboard. Now that your section is cut, you need to navigate to the place you wish to move it. You can scroll through your document or use the outline panel for quicker navigation. To access this, go to View in the top menu and select Show Outline. Place your cursor at the desired location. Finally, to paste the content, right-click at the new location and select Paste. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on Mac. Your content is now effectively moved and your document's pages have been rearranged as needed. Congratulations, you can now comfortably reorganize your Google Docs documents anytime. Happy editing.